Our guest for tonight is someone whose journey so far has been a classic example of an aspiring girl who becomes an inspiring girl. Anushka Sharma, welcome on Zoom.
Thank you.
We are in this industry where endorsing brands are important and then working with Khans is important. And Anushka Sharma, right now, you're not only like you have this Yash Raj movie opposite Shah Rukh Khan, and then you have Rajkumar Hirani movie opposite Amir Khan, then you have Anurag Kashyap with Ranbir Kapoor. Like you've got the actors and the directors and the brands. So do you like pinch yourself? My God, how did I get so lucky?
Yeah, I'm very happy. I'm just happy that I'm getting to work with good directors. I think that's always been the lalach of wanting to work with the best directors in the industry. And I'm really happy that right after Band Baja Barat, I got to sign films with 3 of them. And I'm in a good place right now. Working hard, and what's actually really nice is that they all make very different films. Rajkumar Hirani, Vishal Bhardwaj, Yash Chopra, and for them to take me in their films and visualize me so differently in each film, I think that's something that I'm most excited about. That I get to look different, be different, perform differently because of 3 directors who are so different with their vision and the kind of films that they make. So it's an exciting phase.
Like you said, I'm getting to do different roles and look differently. Many people, trade analysts out there, they are believing like after Madhuri Dixit, there was this place at like we have people on top, but there's nobody who's ruling the industry like she did. And they are betting their money on you because you're not only good looking or you're a good dancer, but you can actually act. You can play a small town girl to a New Yorker girl with the same ease. What do you have to say about it?
That's a huge claim that you're making there. Madhuri Dixit she's a legend. I think every time is different in the industry. I think today we're just very happy to be doing films as the younger breed of actors. We are in a good space. We're in a good time where realistic films are being made, and when I say realistic, what I mean is that films that people can relate to. I don't mean like realistic as in like gritty or edgy. I just mean like films that one can relate to, like for example a film like Band Baja Barat. So I'm just happy to be a part of cinema now, and I'm happy that I'm getting to work with good people, and it's not about becoming anything. It's not about I think success for me is just being able to work with the people that I want to work with and have my work appreciated by the audience. And as long as I'm achieving that, I think I'm finding myself and I feel quite successful.
Of course you are. And recently we met Shah Rukh. He said that on the sets of the movie that you're doing, he took acting tips from you, which left us quite intrigued.
No, he's too sweet. He's too kind. I think he's just joking with you. That didn't happen.
Okay, now last question for the interview. It comes from our social networking sites, comes from the fans. Recently we saw a very cute, playful picture of yours, very candid, where you were sitting and Ranbir was there, you were just throwing a scarf at him. So everybody's asking, what was the joke all about?
I was just trying to promote the film by throwing that scarf because it had Gangs of Wasseypur written on it. I was just promoting the film. So both of us were just promoting the film.
That's okay. Thank you, Anushka. Thank you so much for talking with us.
Thank you.
Hi, this is Megha. Get the latest news of Bollywood and entertainment on youtube.com/ZoomTV.